I wonder if this is better, but we'll try. We have Present You, and then at the back side, it says GOT7 third album.
Hello po.
I don't want to ruin it. Come on, okay. Flap, open. You're gonna get a bookmark, and I got Mark.
Bookmark.
Okay, so oh, everything's here. Wow, hi Youngjae. I was expecting it to be in the album, but oh well. So I got a bookmark. Oh, it really is like a bookmark. Like you get the tassel and all that thing. It has like where you could punch holes and put the tassel on if you want to. His name is in the back. Okay, so we're putting you here. And then I got my clear card, which is Youngjae, a little baby. Oh, nothing's at the back. They're sitting here too. And let's see our photo card. It's nice that everything is organized and not just not organized. Thank you, JYP, for that. You get to switch everything in front. And you have this little flaps here, so it could be a standee. Nice going there. I really like that idea.
I got 7. JB, Mark, Jackson, Jinyoung, Youngjae, Bambam, and Yuhyung.
This is really cool. I really like JYP's ideas on albums. It's just really so cool. Oh wow, present code.
Voice, thanks to GOT7 V Live.
We'll try that later. Ta-da! This is like what you always see like on promotions. Ew! I like this. Boom. Oh wow. Wow. This reminds me of some kind of an era. I don't know. I like it. It will be a cool display. It looks like... Oh, what's this? Oh, so you could actually use it for like... if you want to message someone. Here's my bias just so you know. Ew, Mark! What's that? Jackson! Come on, wow. Jinyoung sheet. I don't know why I say it's sheet. Yes, my baby composing. Bam bam, like there's a baby, Yuhyung. My baby boy. Okay, so we get that. One for each. Let's try that. Wow, it looks so nice. But now we're gonna move on to...
This is a little heavy. Just saying. But
it is heavy. So you see here, there's JB of the limit, iRiver, and this code here. So let's see.
I just need a little... Okay.
Oh, this feels nice. This feels nice. Yeah, smooth. So I don't know, do I have to peel this off or could I just... Oh, there's something there. Bam Bam? So if I peel this off, I get to see Bam Bam.
Is that Bam Bam? I'm pretty sure it's Bam Bam. Yep, he's our boy. But
I don't think I want to open this. I'm content just like seeing him like that. I'm sorry, but yeah. So you get different covers. Slipper. Oh. Okay, so you also get different versions of like this album holder thingy. So I got Jackson. No JB yet. Oh, but I don't really mind if I don't get JB. Okay, I don't know what to expect now. A little fact. Jackson is like my first bias and GOT7, but JB just crawls in my way. Oh, so what happens here? So is it just Jackson?
oh wait, wow, wait, what the freaking wow?
Okay, this is the CD. And I get Jackson here, so if anyone wants to trade for JB, I'm up for that. Let's see who I get inside. Okay, we're gonna... JB gives a lot of freebies. Let's check this out. Bam bam! And you have something like you get to finish a puzzle when you get everything of this. So, like it's Bam Bam. Baby. Oh, did he draw this one? Does this one connects? I think it's a different one. I'm pretty sure it's a different one. And there's a baby again. Yep, it's a different one. Get free? I'm not sure if you're supposed to get free, but I did get free. Just put them here, locking yourself. Why do I feel I've been getting like Bam Bam and Youngjae a lot? Even in my previous albums from them. And there's JB. I think I'm content with this one. Wow. So this is the JB card. And can you still see him here? So this one is a dedicated book album for Jackson. So you'll see a lot of Jackson in here. Ta-da! First is the Present You. And GOT7. And then I don't know if I want to exchange for this is like, and come on, all the songs and all the credits. Let me show you. Oops, sorry. Sunrise. Hey, Jackson, hey. Oh, it looks so good. If I get someone to trade with me for Jackson, I mean for JB, I do it, but if no, I really love Jackson, so we're not trading if you don't want to. But yeah, this is like just him. Just him. Yes, I'm seriously in love with it. Like, oh wow. So I really like first song. There we go, Lullaby. I like the color of his shirt. Like, it's my favorite color, but yeah. You get 2 tracks on this page. Everybody's here, but only Jackson focus. Not everybody, like, you get me. No one else. My baby wrote lyrics. I think I'm gonna keep it on this page. Just because. Hey, I don't know. I don't know if I wanna change that. Wow. I like the style. And my feet are hurting. Wow. Ooh, the fluffy one. Made it my youth. Have you guys all listened to like every song? It's just so good. Ay, Mawang puppy. Like, here's your English version, Chinese version, Spanish version. Sorry, did you not see? There you go. Lullaby. And then we get the instrumental. And we get one puppy. Ja, ja, ja. I love him. I love him. I really, really love him. And we get a message from Jackson here, which I will not read because I do not know Korean. First. Why is that first? I mean, I don't know Korean. A. Thanks to... So, I don't know. Oh. He wrote something in Korean. and in Chinese. I don't know what kind of Chinese. Then, and to international fans, you can pause if you want to read. And then, thank you God for guiding me through all the obstacles, love. And then we get all the credits at the end of it. JYP staff. And yeah. It would be really nice if you could collect, because everything is just so personal. It's so good. It's so worth it. If you could actually get a hold of every member's like sleeve, photo cards, and what do you call this? It's gonna be so worth it. Yeah, I don't find anything disappointing. Everything is just so nice. Great work, GOT7. Great work, everybody in JYP staff. Great work, everybody. I love it. Hope you like it. Bye.